In skincare, customer acquisition costs can kill your business before it gets a chance to get off the ground. Most brands either overspend to acquire customers or they plateau because they can't find profitable growth. Leyna, founder of Urb Apothecary, didn't want to choose between growth and profitability. Over 3.5 years, we've dropped her CAC by over 51% while driving record sales as recently as November 2025. But here's the real proof. Leyna doesn't just work with us. She refers other founders to us. That's not something you do unless the results speak for themselves. And here's what she had to say.
Basically wear all of the hats of the business, where it's marketing, materials purchasing, retail sales, all of those things. So I really didn't have any bandwidth. Yeah, I mean, I think ever since taking you guys on, or you taking us on, it's been a positive return on ad spend. So huge improvement since we didn't work with you at all. I really appreciate that you guys have taken on Meta, because that was another beast that I've only had losses in, and to have positive return on ad spend with that has been really amazing. I mean, just like any other business, we hope to continue to see increase in return on ad spend and exposure and all of those things. And I think you guys have a strategy to make that happen. No end in sight when I want to work with you guys, as long as you want to work with me. I think it's a really amazing relationship, and I've referred many of my friends' businesses to you guys because I really believe in what you're doing and the heart of what you are, and you really care to help small businesses, and I think that's huge.
3.5 years, 51% reduction in customer acquisition costs, record sales, referrals. That's what happens when you stop treating Google Ads like a guessing game and start treating it like a true growth engine. If you're ready to find new customers profitably and stop burning through your budget, then click the link below to book a free strategy call with me. We'll look at your numbers together and show you exactly where you're overpaying. And once you book that, check out this next video where I break down the exact strategy we used to scale Urb Apothecary and dozens of other e-commerce brands profitably with Google and YouTube ads.